When a dog licks our clothes, do we need to clean it? No. This is a mistaken idea people have about dogs, A dog licks you, you have to go wash it 7 times, 1 time with earth. No. This is just if the dog eats or drinks from the vessel you're eating and drinking in, you pour it out, let him finish his drink and eat, and then you clean it 7 times, 1 of the times with earth, right? Clean earth. That's what's required. But a dog licking you does not break your wudu. Patting a dog does not break your wudu. Actually, dogs, though they have become sort of like an evil in Muslim society, people see a dog, and a lot of the Westerners I know would tell me, what's wrong with you Muslims? As soon as we come with our dogs, Muslims are running in all directions.